Couch to 10K, week 5, day 1, 3 minutes running, 2 minutes walking, and you do that 6 times. Yes, we accurate this time. Let's get it done. Set 1 done, 5 more to go. Let's go. Just completed set number 2. I'm currently in the Botanic Gardens. Beautiful, beautiful place. If you're in Belfast, check it out. Got to. Let's hang out. Rain or snow, running, I will go. No matter the weather. Number 3, let's go, let's go. Woo. Done. Let's go, I'm on my way. Love the rain. Number 4. Done. 2 more. Woo! 2. Quick pit stop at the train station, meeting a friend. She's leaving to Scotland for work, so I'm just gonna say hi, say my goodbye, and then go back to the running. This is my friend Claire. Yay! Leaving to Scotland.
Yes.
Yeah, so I'll be sad when she goes, but you know I had to come say bye. Just after saying goodbye, I'm sad to see certain people go, but you know I still keep in contact with her through social media, and yeah, really keep in life the people you harmonize with a lot. You know that's my only message from that departure that I can learn from. Number 5. Last one, baby. Last one. Last set. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna do a lap. I'm gonna do a lap at City Hall. Woo! And I'm done. Couch at 10K. You are mine. Oh, so good after a run. Oh.